Hello students, in 11th standard chemistry, the lesson number 6, that is in the gaseous state, we have discussed the various gas laws and the derivation of ideal gas equation so far. Okay, ma? Okay, ma. And in the today's video, we are going to discuss about a main important law which is called as Dalton's law. Okay, it is given Dalton's law of partial pressure. You know what is pressure, and here we are going to know the term partial pressure. Okay, ma? Okay, ma. First we can see what Dalton's law says. According to Dalton's law, the total pressure of a mixture of non-reacting gases, அதாவது இமேஜின் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, ஒரு கண்டெய்னரில் நான் ரியாக்டிங் கேஸஸ் ஒன்னோட ஒன்று ரியாக்ட் ஆகாத ஒரு மிக்சர் ஆஃப் கேஸஸ் we have taken, and that mixture will possess a particular pressure. Okay, so that is given by the term total pressure. Okay, okay. So the total pressure of a mixture of non-reacting gases is the sum of, sum in the sense, you know, it is the added values. Okay, it is the sum of the partial pressures of the gases present in the mixture. Here, what is partial pressure in the sense, the pressure exerted by individual gas when it is in the free form. ஒவ்வொரு கேஸும் தனியா இருக்கும்போது அதுக்கு எவ்வளோ ப்ரெஷர் இருக்குதோ that is called as partial pressure. Okay, mama? Okay, so this is given by Dalton, so it's called as Dalton's law of partial pressure. Okay, once again let me repeat the Dalton's law. It says that the total pressure of a mixture of non-reacting gas is the sum of partial pressures of the gases present in the mixture, and mathematically it can be expressed in this way: P total, here P total is total pressure, so P total is equal to P1. P1 is partial pressure of the first gas, then P2 is partial pressure of second gas, then P3 is partial pressure of the third gas. If you have more than 3 gases, then it will be keep going, plus P4 plus P5 and etc. So this is the mathematical expression of Dalton's law. Okay, P total is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. Okay, dear students, we know the ideal gas equation. What is ideal gas equation? PV is equal to nRT. We know that this is the ideal gas equation. So from this ideal gas equation, we are going to derive the value of pressure P, that is equal to nRT divided by V. Okay, so using this expression, we are going to find out the partial pressure of each gas in the mixture. So P1, that is equal to N1 into R. R is a constant, so here we won't use the variable R1. And temperature, volume, everything is constant. So only P pressure and number of moles are variables. So P1, that is equal to N1 RT divided by V. Then P2 is equal to N2 RT divided by V. Then P3 is equal to N3 RT divided by V. Okay, mama? Okay, now all these partial pressure values we are going to substitute in this equation so that we can get P total, that is total pressure is equal to N1 RT by V plus N2 RT by V plus N3 RT by V, and here RT by V is common, so we can have separately this term. So we'll get P total. Total pressure is equal to N1 plus N2 plus N3 into RT by V. So this is the mathematical form of Dalton's law of partial pressure. Okay, mama? I think you may have better understanding about Dalton's law. What is Dalton's law? What does it say? It says that the total pressure of a mixture of non-reacting gas is the sum of the partial pressures of the gases present in the mixture. Okay, mama? Okay. In the next video, we can discuss about Graham's law of diffusion. Thank you.